right, guys, we've got round 2 of all of my gift guides for you. So originally I published a YouTube video with like 80 plus gift ideas. And I told you guys in that video I was going to be doing a lot more gift guides. And that is what this is. Now, I have also shared women's gift guides and men's gift guide videos already. I will have them linked in the description bar and the comment section. Make sure you're following me on Like to Know It, because that is the easiest way to find everything. I actually shared a little tutorial on how to do that in the first video that I shared, but today we're just gonna kind of dive right in. I've got my phone so that I can make sure I don't miss any of my gifts, and we will start out with coworkers. So coworker gift guides, I find it depends on the coworker and the job, because like if you're a nurse, I find that there are other things you would get than maybe if like you're a teacher, but I kind of just tried to do something that was pretty universal, and a few of them were like really funny. So first and foremost, a stamp that says "not my job." Like I would have absolutely used that when I was in the office full time. Absolutely, I'd just been like, not my job. No. Things I can't say out loud in meetings. That is the cutest little notebook ever. While I do find that some coworker gift ideas can be like a little bit more like gag gifts, I do have things on here like the little nugget sauce like holders that basically slide into your air vent. Those are super nice because like I used to eat out in my car and I was like, I don't want to be near anybody. I just want my silence, and that would have been so nice. But I also have like something on here that you can customize and get like their name and their title that can sit on their desk. There's highlighters, there's hand sanitizers. So coworker gifts were one I kind of struggled with just a little bit because it really does depend on the person, but I did include some of those for you guys. Next up, stocking stuffers for her. So when I look at stocking stuffers, I generally try to stick like under $25. Usually I try to stick under 15, and then it has to, at least to some degree, fit in a stocking. Now, it doesn't have to fit in there with multiple things, but like I have seen some people be like, oh my God, I got shoes in my stocking. Like, we're not doing that. So I really like all of these. We've got Olaplex, we've got scrunchies, which are really on trend, the Laneige lip mask, hand sanitizers. Those are the best because they're also hydrating, vegan, cruelty-free. They soften your hands. I absolutely love those. Those are the ones that are probably a little bit more expensive, but you're gonna get a 3-pack. Honestly, my mom used to use our stocking for like replenishing like toothbrush, hairbrush, hairspray, stuff like that. So the tweezer pack, I actually have those tweezers and we divided them up. Like my husband has 2, I have 2, and we love them. Gift cards are really nice. There's a lotion. So stocking stuffers for her are very easy in my opinion, but I also did them for the guy. So when you find men's gifts, especially if you just like Google them, I find they're all kind of the same and it's really weird. But this was, I think, pretty universal. So we've got the same little like nugget sauce holders. I think they're super cute. Like I don't know anybody that like has eaten in their car that wouldn't love those. Dude wipes. If you know, you know. We've got a gift card for Starbucks. We do also have chapstick. You guys, don't think that guys don't like things like chapstick. They definitely do. The hat was actually one of the coolest things, so I put that in a different gift guide as well. So this little thing that you're seeing on screen, it's black and it basically goes into their hat and it helps keep like sweat off of their forehead, which I think for the most part, like hats do kind of absorb that, but I thought it was really cool when I saw that it was like this affordable thing that guys can put in their hat, because I do think it just gets kind of gross when like your hat just, it gets sweaty and nasty. So I included that. You could also like give it to a woman, but for the most part, I think men, at least the men I know, are notoriously more into hat wearing than women. So that's why it's in the stocking stuffer gift guide for men. All right, gift guide for the golfer. I absolutely love this gift guide because I know a few golfers and there were some things in here I was like, wait, we might actually be getting that for them. So there are so many. First and foremost, you can never go wrong with golf balls, but I do find that some men are pretty particular. The one little few things that I know about golf. I do know that. I don't understand, but you know, they do. Socks are cute. I did include that little hat, like sweat piece again. I personally really like the cooler. I think that is so nice. It's very slim. It looks like it holds probably like 6 beers. So it's not big, although the image makes it look a little big. But if you look in the top right-hand corner of this gift guide that is shown on screen, it is a trunk organizer for golf stuff. Now, my husband is not a big golfer. he was when he was like younger, but now he's more into soccer. And he actually has a like organizer in his car where he keeps all of his soccer stuff. Now, he does need like bigger spaces for soccer balls and things like that, but if your guy is into golf, that is such a neat little organizer that they can put in their car, keep their golf stuff in there. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know enough to know, like, do they keep all that stuff in their bags? Do they keep their shoes in their bags? I don't know. But I thought that that trunk organizer was absolutely genius when I saw it, just simply because I do know that Sam really does love his organizer in his trunk. I did get some requests to share my personal wish list, so I wanted to include that for you guys as well. First and foremost, and the most expensive, is probably like a gift I'm gonna get myself. At the end of the year, every year I like to buy myself a gift for like if I've met my business goals, and that is a Tory Burch bag. It is so beautiful. It is definitely very high in price, which is why I want to get it myself. But when I saw it, it was maybe like 3-4 months ago, I immediately fell in love with the look because it's not a Chanel, of course. And I feel like it looks similar in like the flap to a Chanel like flat bag. Is that what they're called? I don't know enough like luxury to know, but I feel like it's just a step down, but it's still a really nice bag. So I did want to include that. The Magic of Science Charlotte Tilbury skincare, I'm really intrigued by because y'all know, like, I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and lipstick. It is honestly one of my most used colors. I wear it all the time. I've never tried any of the Charlotte Tilbury skincare. I've used the makeup and I love it. So when I saw that set, I was like, let me put that on my wish list. I need to try it. So I don't know, Sam, if you're watching this wish list exists, babe. It exists. I did want to also include that wet dry like mop vacuum combo because I love the idea of being able to vacuum and mop at the same exact time. It just cuts out just doing it separate, and that seems really appealing to me. And then finally, I included 4 things from Lululemon. So I do really love my Lululemon belt bag. So I wanted to include the Sherpa one, and then some workout shorts like the athletic shorts. I know that there are some on Amazon that you can find that are a like look for less, but I don't know, y'all, my Lululemon stuff, I feel like the quality is just, it's absolutely incredible and I love it. So I have seen those shorts on a few people on TikTok and I was like, oh, I think I really want the Lululemon ones. And then the leggings, these are both actually ribbed. I've really been into colored leggings lately. And I don't know if that's just because I'm seeing them more, like they're a little bit more trendy now, but I really like the green and the brown. So I put both of those on my wish list as well. Something at least I give for a gift because it never fails. Like whenever I gift it, it wouldn't actually be able to be like opened with, you know, the 12 days of Christmas or 24 days leading up to Christmas or whatever. So I usually get them for myself, but advent calendars are super cool. I saw a Pokemon one, a DC one, but the wine ones are so cool. So last year I got mine from Target, which is where these are from. And I was like, I had to do a little pickup. So I did have to show my ID because of course you have to be over 21. And they were the most adorable, like they said they were single serve. I feel like they were very much some more than one glass of wine. Bottles though, and it had both red and white wine in it. And then of course I bought it prior to December. Found out I was pregnant on December 1st and never got to drink them, but I really want to try like the little wine gift box or even like some of those advent calendars. I think they're just super cool. So there's like 5 days of Cabernet in there. So I will link that one below for you guys as well, but do know, at least depending on like if you have it shipped or pick it up, you are gonna have to show your ID. The other gift idea that I wanted to share, I'm really hesitant to share kids gift guides because I feel like whenever I try to be helpful is when I get like attacked for things, and I don't ever want to say like, oh, this is a kids gift guide and it not be universal enough or it not hit enough like age ranges or it not be in a good price point. So I will say I'm struggling a lot with the kids gift guides, but the one thing that I get questioned about the most is Ezra's like riding toy car. We got it for him for his first birthday, and there have been some weird things about it the longer that we've had it that makes me not be like 100% into the idea of linking up that one. But I did see at least all of these were included in the Black Friday sale at Walmart. These have to be the coolest things. So they are literally riding toys for kids. So I did include like a bike, a scooter, a hoverboard, a little like go-kart in there. But I'm telling y'all, my toddler absolutely loves his car. We'll say, we're gonna go get in the car, and we're meaning like my grown-up car, and he'll go out in the garage and he'll get in his little toy car. Like, he loves it so much. So I did want to include this for you guys because I am struggling with just like, should I share the kids gift guide? I don't know. I mean, I only know up to 19 months what they play with. But at least for the things that I get the questions about the most and the things that like my son loves the most, it is his riding like toy car. And that is it for today's video. So again, I'm gonna continue to roll out gift guides for you guys a lot throughout the holiday season. I will also sprinkle in some of my regular content. So if you like Amazon videos, you like try on hauls, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would love to have you guys join the fam, but we are approaching the holidays very, very fast. So I wanted to make sure I got these up for you guys. Thank you so much. Love you. And I hope that I see you in my next video.